First, you draw your basic block with center mid dart. I'm going to show you how to make it. You cut this line and close here. Look. Then you got this dart, and I already trace it. Look. Okay. Yeah. And now you make neck deep. I make 5 inches. It means 13 centimeters, and draw a neckline. Okay, and make a small dart here. Make a line to bust point and 1 centimeter one side, the other side also 1 centimeter. It means 2 centimeters altogether, and join. Cut in this line again and close this dart. And make curve, nice curve. Then you cut from this line. Okay. This is your dart, but from here 3 centimeters, mark this dart until here. You never sew until bust point, just 3 centimeters below from here. This is your dart. Okay, this is your neckline, center front dart. Close it and cut. So I am going to tell you one side you need this part. Okay, this side you need this part. For the other side you draw you are going to draw design line. Okay, so I'm going to trace another one like this. So this side I leave it as it is, and I'm going to draw this design line here. So I mark 1.5 centimeter from this point up. 1.5 centimeter, and you make a line. Okay, in this line you must have your measurement from here to here and from here to here. It means you have 14.5 centimeter and 21 centimeters. In this line you mark 21 centimeters. Okay, and now from this line you mark 10 centimeters here. Okay, and draw a nice curve. Okay, now make a straight line. In this line you make same measurement what you got here. It means 21 centimeters you mark here also, and join. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this. Before you cut, I'll make a cut here first, and just close this part. Okay, and you make all over here around 1 centimeter sewing allowance. Okay, you have this part now. I'm going to show you how to sew it. You cut one part from this piece and one part from this piece. Okay, first you sew this dart. Side, and from this side you see also this part. I'm going to show you this dress, how it look like. Look, this is your lining. You have to sew lining same these two parts. Okay, there is no fold line, just you have to give 1 centimeter sewing allowance. 2 pieces from here you need for lining. Okay, and also for this part you need also lining. Okay, this is double. Look, it's double. So look, first you sew that also here, and you sew with lining and turn it. After that, these parts, you sew these parts together. But do not forget to give sewing allowance, okay? Now you make small pleats to get a shape. Look, very small pleats. And look, I stitch with hand first. I attach with hand, look, from back side. Okay, you make like this, and you make a small, this is organza material. I make small extra flower, and also I stitch. Okay, and you can here make straps, shoulder straps, back side. Just this is your back side, and you keep together and draw a line, and also shoulder straps, and you can see the dart. Skirt part you can use as your wish, tight skirt, flare, half flare, whatever you want. So you can see now how it look like after you make pattern, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoy with my tutorial, and until next time, stay happy and safe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, learn it, do it. I'm Sandhya.